In a world where numbers dance in the depths of the cosmos, where equations hold the key to unlocking the mysteries of existence, and where every mathematical concept is a doorway to infinite possibilities, there lies a journey unlike any other. Welcome to Proteon, a realm where the language of mathematics transcends barriers, and diversity is the fuel that ignites the flames of discovery. Prepare to embark on an odyssey through the boundless horizons of further mathematics. From the depths of the unknown to the soaring heights of human achievement, our adventure awaits. Are you ready to delve into the infinite possibilities that await? Brace yourself for a journey that will challenge your perceptions, ignite your imagination, and unlock the secrets of the universe. This is Proteon, where every equation tells a story, and every discovery heralds a new dawn. The journey begins now. Step into the frontier of advanced technology, where further mathematics serves as the blueprint for innovation. Explore the pioneering work of Dr. Maryam Mirzakhani from Iran, whose contributions to algebraic geometry have paved the way for groundbreaking advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Today, quantum computing stands at the threshold of a new era, where mathematical theories like quantum algorithms unlock previously unimaginable computational power. Dive deeper into the realm of computational mathematics, where the convergence of precision and technology fuels the exploration of artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and data analytics. Imagine the impact of your contributions to algorithm development, where your unique insights could shape the future of technology, making it more inclusive, secure, and transformative for generations to come. Take the next step by exploring courses in computer science, cryptography, or data analytics, and join the global community of innovators shaping tomorrow's technology. Journey into the heart of environmental science, where further mathematics becomes the compass guiding us towards a sustainable future. Witness the groundbreaking efforts of Dr. Veerabhadran Ramanathan from India, whose research on climate change and atmospheric chemistry has shaped global environmental policies. Delve into the intersection of mathematics and ecology, where statistical modeling, geographic information systems, GIS, and ecosystem dynamics offer invaluable tools for understanding and mitigating environmental challenges. Your exploration of environmental mathematics could lead to transformative insights, shaping policies and practices that safeguard our planet's natural beauty for generations to come. Take the next step by exploring courses in environmental science, climate modeling, or ecological economics, and join the global movement for sustainability and conservation. Embark on a journey into the realm of healthcare, where further mathematics becomes the cornerstone of healing and innovation. Discover the groundbreaking work of Dr. Terence Tao from Australia, whose contributions to harmonic analysis and partial differential equations have advanced medical imaging and diagnostic technologies. Delve into the fields of biomedical engineering, epidemiology, and pharmacometrics, where mathematical insights drive the development of new treatments, personalized medicine, and healthcare policies. Your pursuit of mathematical precision in healthcare could pave the way for transformative advancements, ensuring equitable access to quality care for all. Take the next step by exploring courses in biomedical engineering, biostatistics, or health informatics, and join the global community of healthcare innovators shaping the future of medicine. Enter the enchanting world of entertainment, where further mathematics becomes the brushstroke that paints the canvas of creativity. Immerse yourself in the visionary storytelling of Satoshi Tajiri from Japan, whose mathematical algorithms laid the foundation for the iconic Pokémon franchise. Dive deeper into the realms of computational graphics, digital animation, and sound engineering, where mathematical algorithms shape every frame and note. Your exploration of mathematical creativity and entertainment could spark new forms of expression, captivating audiences, and transcending boundaries of imagination. Take the next step by exploring courses in computer animation, game design, or digital arts, and join the global community of creatives shaping the future of entertainment. Savor the flavors of innovation in the culinary arts, where further mathematics becomes the recipe for culinary excellence. Explore the pioneering techniques of Ferran Adrià from Spain, whose culinary innovations at El Bulli pushed the boundaries of gastronomy. Delve into the science of food chemistry and gastronomic mathematics, where equations dictate the perfect balance of flavors and textures. Your exploration of mathematical principles in the culinary arts could lead to groundbreaking culinary creations, tantalizing taste buds, and pushing the boundaries of gastronomy. Take the next step by exploring courses in culinary science, food engineering, or molecular gastronomy, and join the global community of culinary visionaries shaping the future of food. Step onto the catwalk of creativity, where further mathematics becomes the thread that weaves together fashion and innovation. Discover the geometric patterns and mathematical precision of Issey Miyake from Japan, whose innovative designs redefine the boundaries of fashion. Delve into the world of textile engineering and pattern making, where mathematical techniques inform every stitch and seam. Your exploration of mathematical principles in fashion design could lead to groundbreaking innovations, redefining the boundaries of style and sustainability. Take the next step by exploring courses in fashion technology, textile design, or computational fashion, and join the global community of fashion pioneers, shaping the future of style. Immerse yourself in the symphony of sound, where further mathematics becomes the orchestrator of musical innovation. Explore the algorithmic compositions of Ryoji Ikeda from Japan, whose experimental music blurs the line between art and mathematics. Dive deeper into the world of music theory and digital production, where mathematical algorithms breathe life into melodies and harmonies. Your exploration of mathematical principles in music production could lead to groundbreaking compositions, pushing the boundaries of sonic experimentation and artistic expression. Take the next step by exploring courses in music technology, audio engineering, or digital composition, and join the global community of sonic explorers shaping the future of music. Enter the arena of sports analytics, where further mathematics becomes the playbook for victory. Discover the statistical models and predictive analytics used by analysts like Sarah Rudd from Kenya to assemble winning teams and optimize performance strategies. Delve into the world of sports science and data analytics, where mathematical algorithms inform every aspect of game strategy and player performance. Your exploration of mathematical principles in sports analytics could lead to groundbreaking insights, revolutionizing the way we play and compete across all levels of athletics. Take the next step by exploring courses in sports science, data analytics, or performance analysis, and join the global community of sports enthusiasts shaping the future of competition. Embark on a journey to the outer reaches of the cosmos, where further mathematics propels humanity's quest for the stars. Explore the visionary work of Dr. Mae Jemison from the United States, whose mathematical expertise and determination led her to become the first African-American woman to travel in space. Delve into the intricate calculations and simulations that drive spacecraft design, orbital mechanics, and celestial navigation. Your exploration of mathematical principles in aerospace engineering could lead to revolutionary advancements in space exploration, unlocking the mysteries of the universe and expanding humanity's reach beyond Earth. Take the next step by exploring courses in aerospace engineering, astrodynamics, or spacecraft design, and join the global community of space explorers shaping the future of interstellar travel. Dive into the dynamic world of finance and economics, where further mathematics drives innovation and shapes global economies. Explore the groundbreaking strategies of Dr. Elvira Sojli from Albania, whose research in quantitative finance and risk management has transformed investment practices worldwide. Delve into the mathematical models and algorithms used in financial derivatives pricing, portfolio optimization, and algorithmic trading. Your exploration of mathematical principles in finance and economics could lead to transformative advancements in risk management, economic forecasting, and wealth distribution. Take the next step by exploring courses in financial mathematics, econometrics, or quantitative economics, and join the global community of finance professionals shaping the future of global markets. As our journey with Proteon comes to a close, we invite you to continue exploring the infinite possibilities of further mathematics. From technology and healthcare to entertainment, culinary arts, aerospace engineering, finance, and beyond, the world of mathematics is yours to discover. Let curiosity be your compass, diversity your strength, and passion your guide. Share your thoughts, share this video, and most of all, keep exploring your passions. Take care of yourselves, and remember, every equation holds a universe of possibilities. Until next time, keep dreaming big and unlocking the wonders of the universe. This is Proteon, where the adventure never ends.